Hello everyone, this is Miss Jessica from the Millhopper branch of the Alachua County Library District. Today I would like to share a side dish that I like to make around this time each year. A simple cranberry sauce requires only 3 ingredients, but you can add fruits, nuts, or various spices to add extra flavor or season to your taste. I enjoy how much or how little you can customize this recipe, and I especially appreciate that you can make this dish in advance, saving time and the need to prioritize valuable stove real estate on the day of a big meal. For this recipe, you will need 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of water, and 4 cups or 1 12-ounce bag of cranberries. They can be fresh or frozen. Now, for the example I'm making today, I do not have real food items available to me, so instead I'm using red beets as cranberries, clear beads as my water, and iridescent glitter as my sugar. For kitchen utensils, you will need 1 medium-sized sauce pot or a pot big enough to hold 4 cups of cranberries and 1 cup of water. You will need a spoon or a spatula to stir it all and combine it. You'll need measuring cups, 1 for wet ingredients and 1 for your dry ingredients. The difference between the measuring cups, we have our dry measuring cups. They're designed to measure out ingredients like flour, nuts, berries, or in this case, sugar, while liquid measuring cups are designed to measure liquids like water, cooking oil, and yogurt. We are ready to begin. Our first step is we will rinse our cranberries. So you will place your cranberries in a colander. I forgot to mention that we will need a colander for this. So you just empty out your package into your colander and then rinse them. You want to pick out and discard any that are damaged or bruised or not as pretty looking. So then you will put your water into the pot and you will add your sugar as well, just like so. You will stir to dissolve it all. So give it a quick little stir, combine it. Stir to dissolve the sugar. You'll put your sauce pot on high heat to bring it to a boil. Add your cranberries once the water has come to a boil. You'll cook until they burst. So you'll add the cranberries to the pot, allow it to return to a boil. Then you will lower the heat and allow it to simmer for about 10 minutes or until most of the cranberries have burst. Next, you'll stir in any mix-ins if you want to add anything to your sauce. So you can dress it up with any other ingredients. Some people like adding raisins or currants or even blueberries for added sweetness. You can also add holiday spices such as cinnamon or nutmeg, and start with a pinch of each and add more to your taste. Personally, I like to make a new recipe the way it is instructed the first time, and then the next time I make the recipe, adjust from there. Add more sweetness, less sweetness, maybe some salt, maybe some spice, whatever you would like to do. So once you've completed that step, you'll let it cool. You'll remove your pot from your heat. Let it cool completely at room temperature. Then transfer it to a bowl to chill in the refrigerator. Note that the cranberry sauce will continue to thicken as it cools down. That is all I have for you today. If you make this recipe or create your own unique recipe, we enjoy seeing your work, so please feel free to share with us. Thanks again for joining, and have a great day.